I think I had really high expectations for how this pregnancy was going to go. A lot of my friends were pregnant and everything was going great for them. At 30 weeks, I started to just feel really swollen. I guess I could say my body was really swollen. And so I went to the doctor and she said, you're going to be on bed rest. Your blood pressure is really high. It doesn't look like the baby's growing and you kind of just look sick. So we're going to take you up here to the ICU and you're going to stay here just for the weekend for monitoring. So in my mind, I thought, I'm just going to be here for a couple days. It's going to be fine. About the third day when I was supposed to be released, my doctor came in and said, actually, your blood pressure has stayed high and you have protein in your urine, which means that you have preeclampsia. And so you're going to stay here the remainder of your pregnancy. And I think at that moment, that was the first time that I just felt like, Lord, what are you doing? I can't leave this place. And I was terrified.